my way that and lot of nice things. Nice. Book, pencil case, bag, umbrella, uniform, shoes, socks, and many more. What child like me who did want to go to school? I was excited. So I went to school in this school for 2 years. I have all the things promised. I got a lot more. I got a car, friends, baon, lesson in Bible stories, reading, mathematics, Filipino, and language. God brings me here, and here, and here. I am very proud of myself. We all proud of ourselves. Today we ask you, beloved parents, teacher, take 5